I'm at number 12 St Stephen's Hill. It's just on the edge of Launceston town here at Newport, and it is a grade 2 listed 2 double bedrooms, good size cottage, and it is superb. It's very well presented inside. You've got wood burning stoves, one in the bedroom even, what luxury. And out here in the garden you've got this super garden. It is so planted well with all sorts of different plants, including acers. There's even a little apple tree, and there's also an outdoor kitchen and a lovely seating area, which is where I am now. And just here is an office which our vendors use for a bit of overflow accommodation as well. So if you'd like to find out more, watch the video